Curious fact: throughout history, there have been surprising and unusual deaths. One such case is that of Mike Edwards, a former member of the symphonic rock band Electric Light Orchestra, Yellow. Mike Edwards was a talented cellist who played with Yellow from 1972 to 1975. During his time in the band, he stood out not only for his musical skill, but also for his charisma on stage, where he performed eccentric acts, such as playing the cello with an orange or wearing extravagant costumes. On September 3, 2010, at the age of 62, Edwards met a fate as bizarre as it was tragic. While driving his van on a road in Devon, England, a massive round hay bale, weighing nearly 600 kilograms, 1,300 pounds, came loose from a nearby hillside. The bale rolled downhill, broke through a fence, and ended up crashing into his vehicle. The impact was devastating and caused his instant death. The subsequent investigation revealed that the hay bale had not been properly secured while farm work was being done. This type of accident is extremely rare, which made the news travel worldwide as an example of how unpredictable life can be. Mike Edwards left behind a musical legacy as part of Yellow's early years when the band fused rock with classical elements. His unique style continues to be remembered by music fans. However, his unusual death also turned him into a kind of curious fact that continues to surprise those who hear about it. Thanks for watching our videos. Follow us and share to see more from the Corner of Curiosity.